miniti mai I te ono Karakatiwa. I am on the way to Koronehana. Tomokanga.
This is the main entranceway into Turangawawa.
Morena e te iwi. Ngā mihi o te rā Koronehana ki a koutou katoa. We're having a little bit of fun down here on our marae Atea before our day officially starts at 10 a.m. on our main live stream. A bit of fun after 3 days of hosting thousands. All the manufiri, the dignitaries. Here we go. Tēnā koe tameroa. Morena. It's a beautiful day. E whiti mai ana ngahihi o tamanui te rā. We love it. That's what happens when you have faith in the kaupapa. And we've been here for 4 days, thoroughly enjoying this hui. We hope you've enjoyed this hui as well.
To be able to shoot some history, and I'm hoping we're not. We're going to make our way towards the river.
Old porridge, which is apparently rotten corn. Yeah, it's not too bad.
They do all of our vegetables, they do all of our fruit, and they do all of our meat. Fine?
All right, okay, here's the question. Easy question. So I'll give you one. Give me a subject, any subject that you want to answer something from. Give me easy one.
Law.
From law? Yeah, you want law? So you'll be a law student or you're a lawyer?
She's graduated law just now. She answered it.
Okay, one more question. Wrong.
What is it then?
One more question. It's itty.
Itty is 3 letters.
But it's small. It was a trick question. Hey, one more. What was the first capital of New Zealand? No, very first capital of New Zealand. It was way up north. No.
The initial one? Whangarei?
No. It started with an R and it ended with Russell.
Russell.
Pororari was the first place.
Mō reira, nau mai haere mai. Ko whirotangi taku ingoa, no ko nei au, no Tūranga Wāwai hoki. Ko tā mātou kauhautu, ko Norman, mihi atu ki aia, kia ora Norman. Whoa, one hand bro, one hand. Yes, Tūranga Wāwai. And that was all the way back in 1921. We're going to visit another whare on our tour, which was actually built before Kimi Kimi, but not at Tūranga Wāwai Marae itself, on another site. So I'll talk to you about that one later on. So Kimi Kimi, what does Kimi Kimi mean? Can anyone give me a came through indication? On the pōwhiri? Who came through on the pōwhiri onto Tūranga Wāwai? Kia ora. So the whare tupuna you sat in front of was Mahinarangi. There's a big history to that name too. Now Mahinarangi was originally from the East Coast, kia ora. Some might debate whereabouts in the East Coast, but we just say generally Kahungunu. So Mahinarangi, the tupuna, married a tupuna from here, from Tainui. His name was Tūrongo. So Tūrongo was the dining, the official dining hall next to Mahinarangi. So the two houses actually joined together. On the other side of Mahinarangi is the whare called Raukawa Iti actually. So Raukawa Iti was their first child. Robert Mahuta had when he was studying at Oxford University in England. So his inspiration was drawn from his time that he spent studying in Oxford. So he drew some parallels from that experience.
Tawa, and I acknowledge you, Te Ariki.
Tōna te tēnō ranga tiratanga ki raru i te maru o tētahi atu. Nō reira mā tērā, e mea nau.
Kia